What is up, you guys? Today's video we're going to be talking about what to currently invest in the market, right? So I want to talk about MU, ticker symbol MU, real quick here, because MU's like Micron technology. It has just been on a huge tear recently. So this channel is all about growing our portfolio, making long-term moves, and I want to show you guys my stock price analysis for MU because I mean, this thing has been on a huge tear, especially with the news and everything dropping. I mean, the percentage on this is absolutely insane. And a lot of people have been asking me, right, is it still a buy right now? And honestly, like the PE ratio is showing that it's not really that overpriced. A PE ratio is 34, which is like mid. Usually we see them like around 30. So it's just been on a great tear. So I want to show you guys Webull here, but first of all, let me show you guys my portfolio. Just give you a little bit of credibility of like what this channel is about. So if you're new to investing or you're new to this channel, what I personally do is invest long term. That's going to build you wealth, and we're not doing like options or day trading or things like that. We're building our portfolio year after year. My goal for this year, and I'm putting it out there for everybody on YouTube, is that I'm gonna gain 75% in my portfolio this year. This is my goal, and I'm gonna try to reach it. I feel like I can guarantee it if I manifest it, but I'm only buying the dipping opportunities, and that is what this channel is about. We're here to make money. So right now it was at like 54%. It's dropping down a little bit because of the shares, you know, CoreWeave. I'm right now positioning a lot of cash on the side. I have, I'm sitting on about, I have 1.1 mil on cash on hand, and I have this portfolio and my Webull as well. So I'm just waiting for dipping opportunities this year. So I would say I'm thinking April we're gonna see opportunities, but let me show you guys some exactly support areas for Micron technology. So we are here. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up on my screen. Where is it? 1 second. Okay, great. I can see it here now. All right. MU. I mean, dude, MU is one of those OG stocks that people used to day trade back in the day for like $3. I still remember this, like, I still remember people day trading the stock for like $3, and I mean, you know, 20 cents is a big percentage, and I mean, if you held that, it's crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, MU is super, I think, overextended. But I mean, there's no signs right now in the market showing any weakness, right? So it could keep running up. We don't know when is the top. So is it a time to buy MU right now? Personally, I won't buy it because I like to not risk my money, as far as I like to buy things always on sale. And that's the principle of this channel, is to always buy everything on sale. You can see here on the weekly, it is above the boiler band. Here, this is the moving average. It's way far out. This is the bottom of the boiling band. You can see the RSI showing it's overextended as well. But you know, you don't know where is the top here. I do think we are like, I mean, the SPY, S&P 500, everything has been riding so high lately that it's just been amazing. So my recommendation is, if you currently own MU, just let it rock, right? Just hold on to it. If you're getting FOMO, fear of missing out, of buying MU, do not buy it yet. Don't buy it. There's going to be an opportunity, I promise you. Like, there's always opportunities in every market. At every time, you just have to be patient. Do not chase. Do not get FOMO. Buy at the right price point. And what do I mean by that? There's going to be a dipping opportunity. Nothing ever goes up. There's always volatility. That's how these institutions make money, and how retail investors lose and always end up losing money. Like my channel is all about everybody growing their portfolio. I give my exact plays of what I personally do to increase my portfolio every year by 50%. This year I'm going to be more aggressive. I'm going to aim for 75%. If I could aim for 75%, it's going to be $1 million in profits because I'm going to be having 1.5 million invested into the market. So if you guys want to like follow along everything, I also have this YouTube channel, is all the information is always there. If you want my live setup plays as well, I just made a school here. You can see it here. Let me pull this to the side here. I'm sorry. This is a school here where it gives you my exact plays that I do every day. So if you sign up, you get live alerts of exactly when I'm placing my trade. Whenever you want to do that, I have it at $35 a month. I think it's personally worth it because you can pretty much increase your portfolio by 50 to 75% long term. And this is something that's like passive. You don't have to be on the computer all day. It's something that's, I think it's really worth it. If you're looking to invest, you're getting my exact plays and exactly, it's almost like, it's like almost, I can't say a guarantee, but it's very, very likely that you're gonna be coming up. I mean, like every year my portfolio has been growing 50%, and I'm hoping I'm waiting for the right plays this year. I have a couple of stocks that I'm waiting. I think April there's going to be a lot more volatility in the market. Let me just show you the SPY right here. The SPY has just been on a tear, and like if you're looking to buy right now, I mean, it's not showing any weakness. You see this right here? It is on this moving average so well. This is the S&P 500. It is really been really good. The only drop has been during April 21st, a little drop here, but it's been pretty steady. I want to see something like this. This is some nice volatility that I like personally, and it's going to allow us to get into some nice tech stocks as well. And people, you might feel like, oh, I have to wait for so long. Well, listen, if you don't wait, right, and you buy at the all-time highs, you're gonna get so mad that you did not wait. So be patient. I've learned my lesson numerous times, like crazy amount of times, and now I'm so disciplined now that I only buy at the dip opportunities. Let me show you guys here. I've had these in the past. This is for Tesla. I always buy at the dipping opportunity. So I always have these up. You can see this one, right? It's out there. I mean, if it hits it, I will buy, but it's downtrending a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of weakness here, but I don't think it's gonna go here. But I bought a ton on here at 101. I bought a ton at this level as well on the Fibonacci chart. I sold literally at the peak at 481 right here, and then it went to like 491 up top at the very highest. But I sold I'm not gonna lie, I sold like 80% of my shares just because, it was so overextended. The boiler band here showing on the RSI that was overextended. Everything was just. I sold after hours. It's one of the really good plays that I made. And yeah, bought here, and I was gonna buy more if it hit on this next fib level as well. And yeah, I've done that many times. I could show you many plays that I have done. Meta, for example, I bought some on Meta. I bought right here. Wait, no. I wish I had capital, but there was one time that it went all the way to close to, where was it? It was like, was it this one? Oh no, this is SPY. I was like, why isn't it showing this number? Okay, Meta right here. When it was at that $100 level, I had money in my other company invested, so I couldn't really invest a lot into Meta, but I bought literally right here on this dip, and I bought here on this dip as well. You can see here I had a limit order, and I was going to be riding it, and it looks like it's going to break down again and go lower. Meta is one of those companies that's going to stick around a lot in the future. Like, They are trying to compete with Apple, and they are aggressive. They're doing everything they can in their power to compete with AI and be the leaders in AI. So Meta is going to be one of those big companies, right? MU, I wouldn't buy currently just because it's super high right now, super overextended, something that people are day trading and stuff like that. But it's just, it's killing it, right? It's killing it. Moving average, everything's overextended. You have to wait. You have to wait for your opportunity to arrive when you buy a stock like this. Don't buy it at the all-time highs. Don't recommend it. If you do, just stick with it, right? Do not sell it when it drops, ever. Just stick with it. Stick with your guns, because over the years, it's going to pay off. It's going to pay off, and your portfolio is going to increase. If you're one of those people, especially a beginner, you're going to be looking at their portfolio every single day. They're going to open the app, look at the numbers. Oh my God, it's dropping 5%, 10%. Should I sell? I'm down $5,000. You don't want to be like that. You want to think of it as a business where you are holding on positions because you know deep down inside that this is a good company, right? You can't. That's the thing with stocks, right? You have so much power of buying and selling so fast that you want to do it. You can't think like that. You have to hold on to it and let it ride, right? To be very almost arrogant and have that belief that you did the right choice. So yeah, MU, wouldn't buy it right now just because it's super overextended. I will be buying it in the dip opportunities. When is that? I don't know. I really don't, because I don't know how high it's going to be riding. This was my fib chart back then. You can see here. See how it goes here, hits the support, resistance. It goes through this channel, hits this support, breaks. You can see hits, and then the fib chart it breaks out of it. So this is my old fib chart. Anyways, hope this was a little bit helpful. I know that I can't really give you guys. Usually, I give you guys an exact. Like an exact play, but it's just that this thing's still rising. It's still going, and it's not stopping. So when is the end? I don't know. Because look at that, it even gapped up. But I can tell you this for sure. Every time we usually see something super extend, right, things go down about at least about 50%. It's like a rubber band effect. So you want to see it go here, and then usually it goes down about close to 50%. So let's even go here. Look, we go here, 127%, and let's go on this dip, right? From 127, it's gonna go down. It's still going, yeah. But yeah, it's crazy. So this thing is still riding. Buy the dip opportunity when it goes down a bit. Usually below this moving average. If you want me to update this video later on, I will. See you guys on the next one. Peace.